How to make a free website for YouTube channel. I'll be showing you two platforms on which you'll be able to do this for completely free. The first option I would recommend you give a try is wix.com. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com, and you can do this whether you're on a desktop or a mobile device. And all you'll have to do is enter your email address and create a password. Once you have done that, you'll be led to this dashboard right here, and from here you can simply tap on edit site right here, and once you have tapped on edit site, you'll be led to this page on which you'll be able to customize your website. And once you're finished customizing your website, as you can see right here, you can simply tap on publish, and once you have selected publish, your website will be live. And by the way, this will be your domain name until you connect your own domain name. The second platform on which you'll be able to create a free website for your YouTube channel is Google Sites. And you can do this again on your mobile device. Once on Google Sites, you'll simply tap right here to sign in. And this will bring you to this page right here, from which you can choose a template that you would like to use. And once you have selected a template that you like, for example this one right here, you can simply tap on it. Next, you'll be able to customize your new website. And after customizing your website by adding your YouTube channel and videos and so on, you'll be able to send your website live by simply tapping on publish beside your profile pic right here in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to create a website for your YouTube channel.